Hello, my name's David, and I'm interested in the internship that you guys are offering this summer. And a unique perspective I would bring to it is my level of knowledge from the time I've accumulated growing up in the shores of Long Island Sound, as well as my degree that I got at USC in environmental science. So I kind of have a knowledge of the northern and how things are run up there and the way that they do management of the sound and the species that are native to there, as well as the ones that come up from here and migrate. And then I did my time at USC and I got my environmental science degree, so I learned about South Carolina laws and how things are kind of done down here, as well as native species to the Carolinas. And I think that just my travel experience kind of would bring a different perspective of how everything can kind of go together. And some things I like to do outside would be I like to hike and climb and fish. I also like to swim. So when I was living in Columbia, I would go to the national park and walk along the boardwalk, or I would go to the Congaree River and I've tubed down the river. I've swam in it. Me and my roommate would go fishing when we lived there. And now that I'm living in Charleston, I love to visit the beach and go swimming. When I was younger, I used to like to go in the woods and look for animals and try to catch them. But now that I'm older and I have the knowledge from college, I like to go out and see the processes that I've learned about in the real world. So I took a class on geomorphology, and I would love to see like rock formations and the way that rivers would flow. Or I took a class on the history of the earth, and I thought that was really interesting to look at different kinds of rocks. And so I think that all this wraps up into a very unique perspective that would make me a great addition to the team. Thank you.